I received this product at no cost for the purpose of this review, so let's go ahead and take it out of the box and check it out. All right, so when you open the box, you're gonna find this knife inside of this case. It's actually a pretty nice little case here. It's got a place for you to stick a knife or even two in here. And then you have this pocket knife. I mean, I really like the pattern on this. It looks like this is molded really well. Of course, I always like a knife with a clip on it because that's how I wear them. This knife is not your standard thumb lock. It has a push lock right here on the side. The hinge on this feels nice and smooth. If you look at it, you would think this knife would actually be heavier, but it's pretty lightweight. It's got a nice size blade on it, really clean looking blade. It's got the little tabs on here, and it's got a little serrated edge here for your thumb to put a grip on it. I already really like this knife by just looking at it, but let me go ahead and use this as my daily carry and see how well it does. All right, so I've used this knife for a lot of different things. It's basically been my daily carry for a few days now. And out on the farm, I do a lot with these, like this is cutting irrigation line. I've done a lot of that because I put in some irrigation line. I mean, it cuts through irrigation line with no problem. If you're looking to cut some sticks up for marshmallows, which we do here on the farm quite often because we're always having campfires, again, cuts through this old dry wood here with no problem at all. And I gotta say, it made some pretty darn good marshmallow sticks. I've also cut through some 2-liter bottles. Of course, this is not a big job for a knife like this, but it cuts them nice and smooth. I also cut rope with it. Real easy to do. And this goes through pretty good thick rope with no problem. This is a really sharp knife. It's cut quite a bit, and it still has a really, really good edge on it. So this is actually gonna become my daily carry. I really like this knife, and I think you won't be disappointed if you buy this one. You can tell this is a pretty quality knife. You can just feel it in the knife. It's definitely gonna be one I take care of and keep for the long run. All right, I hope this video was helpful. Thank y'all very much for watching. Y'all take care.